What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and today we are back with another wig tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the video. If you're looking for the perfect beginner friendly unit that's salon quality but without the time you spend at the salon, then we have the perfect wig for you today. It's from IDefineWigs. Today we're installing their brown highlighted straight unit. This is their packaging. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I received inside today. So this is the wig we're installing today. This is their 6-inch brown highlighted straight unit. And this one already has the adjustable band on the inside. This is what it's looking like. It's already freestyled and it has that breathable lace. This is it. It comes with the combs in the back to secure the unit. I must say, like, the brown highlights are blended perfectly on this unit. Like, they just add dimension without like overthrowing it or looking too loud. And this is the unit straight out the box. This is it. Inside of the unit comes with the adjustable band. So I will be leaving the information for IDefineWigs down below. I also will be leaving the wig information down below as well. So go ahead and check out my description. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on. Go ahead and put my wig grip band on. Today, of course, we won't be using any glue for this unit. Again, it's a beginner friendly wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the band and then use my combs to secure the wig. So this is the unit. Now that we put it on, this is it. I love the color on it. I love her golden brown unit. I just feel like it goes with my skin. Honestly, she's looking really fine. Like, I love what it's given. It's definitely a grab and go unit. Like for one of those busy work mornings, I love it. Go ahead and show y'all the back. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and run my flat iron through it and kind of get the unit flowing in the direction I want it to. Okay, so this is the final look. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I absolutely love this look. Love it. It's soft, it's silky, and again, it's super easy to install, 100% glueless, and this is the final look. Like, it's giving me lightweight and comfy. I love it. It has a little mullet going on in the back and I'm here for it. Like, it's gorgeous. Like, I love this unit. This is it, guys. I absolutely love it. It's their 6-inch brown highlighted straight unit, and she's giving me a really gorgeous finish. Like, I love this unit. This is it. Again, this unit is from IDefineWigs, and this is their 6-inch straight unit. This one is actually 180% density, but it's still giving us a nice silky soft vibe. I'll be leaving the information down below, so go ahead and check out my description. Go ahead and make your purchases. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.